to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa police exposed betting racket of Mumbai bookies operating from Goa. 6 bookies arrested from a rented place at Kandoli. 46 mobiles seized. Government to take over Chogle High Secondary in next 2 to 3 days. Will take over management and infrastructure, says CM. Parents to agitate outside the college on Tuesday. CM tells students not to worry over admission issue, will increase divisions in colleges if needed. Criticizes no fail till 8th. Policy says implementation faulty. GSIDC battle continues. Captain of port says that jetty doesn't fall under CCP's jurisdiction. Mayor of CCP says will prove legalities in 2 days. And can owners decide not to follow 61 days fishing ban? Government's package of 20,000 rupees per month is not enough. Demand 3 lakh rupees for 61 days. And now the news in detail. Goa police nabbed 6 bookies at Kandoli in the IPL spot fixing case on Monday. All the 6 bookies are originally from Mumbai. These bookies were camping at a rented house in Kandoli for past 45 days and were leisurely operating their betting business. Police have seized 46 mobile phones, laptops, television sets, other communication devices and registers from these bookies. The main boss of these bookies was operating from Gujarat.
IPL betting and spot fixing links with Goa have startled everyone. A team of Delhi police had hurriedly moved to Goa in search of the bookies and big players of spot fixing. They raided many places including Vasco, Bardez and Pedne. Finally, Goa police succeeded in arresting 6 bookies on Monday. Goa police flung in action after a tip-off. They arrested 6 bookies from a rented premises at Kandoli, where they were leisurely staying for the past 45 days and operating their business. Police have nabbed communication and other electrical equipments from the bookies on Monday.
Apprehend 6 people. Their names are Paresh Asar Pota, Ketan Chavda, Hitesh Patel, Amit Papat, Sandeep Asar Pota and Nikunj Kirit Lalan. They are all in the age group of 30 to 45. They are all Bombay based. They are basically from Bombay. They had taken this premises on rent for more than a month on a consolidated amount of what has emerged now approximately 2 lakh rupees. This is being owned by somebody who is based in Gurgaon also. We are also going to charge the owner of the house who has allowed this premises to be used for illegal activities. We have produced all the today before the JMFC MAPSA. We are going to seek their police remand also. The initial input which has emerged during the scrutiny of the registers and other details, the investigation will have to go into other dimensions also. So we have, I have constituted a special team under the leadership of SP North to take all those possible follow-up leads.
Police raid and Panchnama was going on till late afternoon. Delhi and Goa police are jointly interrogating the bookies. The info which has come out after police interrogation is Goa was their operating base. Low-level spot fixing and betting was operated from Mumbai. Major financial transactions were carried out from Gujarat. Raichur, a giant bookie, operates from Gujarat. Raichur is the boss of the 6 bookies arrested at Kandoli. Goa police on a hot trail of Raichur. Possibility of high-profile personalities' involvement in IPL betting. Police are studying call records of 40 mobile phones, scanning of register for names and vital clues. Goa police carried out the raid and arrests. Delhi police recording statements of the bookies. Bookies will be in the custody of Goa police. The nexus between these arrested bookies and IPL players is yet to be probed. Their interrogation in police remand can unearth many skeletons. Bureau report Prudent.
Government will take over Chogule High Secondary in 2 to 3 days. CMS said that the government will appoint an administrator and will take over the management and infrastructure of the high secondary. The education minister promised that every student in state will get admission and there is no need to panic. Meanwhile, students in Murgaon are panicked and parents have decided to stage a dharna in front of Chogule College on Tuesday.
चौगुल्याची लिगॅलिटी आमी परफेक्ट हे केल्या स्टडी तांकां परमिशन क्लास बंद करपाक परमिशन नाकारलेलें आसा ती मॅटर कोर्टान आसा आनी कोर्टान अजून पर्यंत कांयच स्टे बी दिवंक ना लेट आयज एकूच तुका प्रेडिक्ट करता की फुडल्या 2-3 दिसां भितर चौगुले कॉलेज वी आर टेकिंग ओवर एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग द एडमिशन त्यामुळे थंय कशें म्हणजे वी आर द फायल इज मुवींग टुडे I haven't deadline दिल्ली till today they have not started admission. I am taking over the management. It includes building and everything. Management प्रशासक नेमतले तशें शाळेन नेमता असो शाळा रावजी राणे शाळा घेतलेली आहा मरे that means you take lock stock barrel everything.
Students and parents on Monday were in panicky situation as the admission for 11th standard did not start at Chogle High Secondary.
चौगुले कॉलेजीन पळय बंद केल्या हो सामको भुरग्यांचे अन्यायाचे हे केला अन्याय केला सामको
आणि हे जे पेपराचेर दिता हाजेर दितात आनी हांगा तीच परिस्थिती कांयच ना म्हळ्यार जातले
भुरगे साम भिल्ले आसा अशी वेळार ह्या भुरग्यांक सपोर्ट करून तांकां एक आश्वासन दिवन मुख्यमंत्र्यान येवपा जाय
90% वयरूच भुरगीं खूब आसा आनी चौगुले कॉलेज ही सगळ्यात पुरातन साऊथ गोवाची कॉलेज आणि हाणेन असो प्रोडक्ट निर्माण केला आनी अशी भुरगीं दिल्या ह्या भारत देशात आणि ह्या कॉलेजीची स्थिती अशी जावप आणि आज ह्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक डिप्रायव करप हे खूब वायट दिसता
भोंवत आसा कितले दीस जाले वेडला गेलो थिंगा गर्दी दामोदरान 90 एबाव म्हणटा आतां आमचो चलो 80 आसले ताका खंय वचपाचें चौगुले आयला हांगा ते म्हणटा कोवतले केदना कोवतले एरांनी डेडलायन घातलेले आसा 28 कोणाचे लास्ट 29 कोणाचे 30 आनी आमचें केदना जातलें कितें करपाचें भुरगे ऑलरेडी टेन्साप आसा आमकां तितली पर्संटेज मेळना म्हूण आतां सुसायड करपाचें सुरू जातलें आतां कितें करपाचें सरकारान कितें तरी करपाक जाय
2 दीस जाले आमी हांगा सकाळ फुडें येतात आनी कितें काय म्हळ्यार फक्त नांवां बरोवन घेतात आनी आमकां सोडटात भुरगीं घरा कडेन टेन्शनान सामकी रडटात हांगा जायना थंय जायना 5 तारखेच्यान कॉलेजी सुरू जावपाच्यो जाल्यो भुरग्यांचें कितें तरी जावपा जाय आनी फुडार न्ही तांचो तो
आमी हांच्यान थंयच्यान हांगा 10 वत रावता खंयच्या कॉलेजीन वतात थंय म्हणटा 90 एबाव ही एबाव ती एबाव म्हणटे लास्ट एडमिशन मेळना खंय वचप कांय कळना आमी सगळी पिशी जाल्यात घरा वचप वतकीर प्लीज आमकां कोणी आमकां गव्हर्मेंटान हें आश्वासन दिवपाक जाय की आमकां सगळ्या भुरग्यांक मेळपाक जाय चौगुले फायल पेपरार येता पेपरार वाचता हां कितें दिसता पण हांगा ते परते एरिया म्हाज्या मागल्याक जाता कांयच कळना
The Chief Minister has given several times and yesterday our delegation met him in the collectorate Murgaon and there he very clearly told that till Monday evening we will wait for the online admissions. If online admissions are not opened by the Chogle Education Society, then government officials will come here in the premises and take over the admissions and at the same time the management.
Early on Monday morning, former Fathoda MLA Damu Naik threatened to agitate outside the Chogle College.
आज आम्ही डिमांड करतात की पूर्ण चौगुले कॉलेज अंडर पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट रिक्वेजिशन कितें आसा त्या हातूंतल्यान सरकारान ताब्यान घेवची ते नांव सुद्दां काडून उडोवचें श्रीमती पार्वतीबाई चौगुले कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स एंड सायन्स आनी कॉलेज सेक्शन आनी ते गव्हर्मेंटाचें नांव घालचें आनी कॉलेज चलोवची आनी सरकारान ती कॉलेज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बसोवन चलोवची ही जाणी सरकारा कडल्यान जागो घेतिल्लो असो कोमुंदा दिसो बीन अशें जर सरकाराक जर नाचोवपाक शकता जाल्यार चौगुल्याक बोध शिकोवपाची वेळ आयिल्ली आसा आनी ताचो निशेध म्हणून आमी फाल्यां सगळे पालक वर्गांक आमी अपील करतात की फाल्यां सकाळीं 9 वरांचेर कॉलेजी कडेन 8:30-9 सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावचें कॉलेजीन एक कर्मचारी वर्ग भितर वचपाक दिवचें ना.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar, Samir Bhatt and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is not happy with the Union Human Resource Minister Kapil Sibal's policy of passing students till Standard 8. Parrikar says that policy has to be implemented with proper plan. The Education Minister will take stock of 11th standard admission in first week of June. He said that if needed, government will allow more divisions in higher secondary schools.
खरें म्हणजे कपिल सिब्बलाचे भूत बोर्डाचेर स्वार जाले अशें हांव म्हणूंक शकता. एब्सोल्युटली फुलिश पॉलिसी. इट हॅड टू हॅव सर्टन पॅरामिटर्स बिफोर दॅट पॉलिसी इज इम्प्लिमेंटेड. केवळ आयडिया हाय असल्यो म्हणून जायना, त्यो प्रॅक्टिकल ग्रावंडाचेर प्रॅक्टिकल आसूंक जाय. त्या पॉलिसी मुळे अनेक जाग्यार भुरगे परिक्षेकूच बसनात. सो एवरेज इज अरावंड 43.5 पोरुची हे per classroom. If we increase the number to 50, we get exactly 15,900 admissions. So प्रश्न उरतलो तो 1000 ते 1500. कोणे पॅनीक जावपाची कांयच गरज ना. आफ्टर टेकिंग रिव्यू ओवर द वीकेंड we will find that what is the requirement approximately. प्रत्येक शाळेक सांगले वतले की तुमचे कडेन जर कोण रिक्वायरमेंट मागता रिक्वेस्ट जाल्यार तो रिक्वेस्ट तुमी घेवन दवरचो. साधारण एक 2-3 तारखेक रिव्यू करून ज्या जाग्यार एडिशनल क्लास काडूंक जाय ती एडिशनल क्लास काडपाची परवानगी मेळटली. एक 1,500ची शॉर्टेज उरली जर तूं जाल्यार इट इज एक्झॅक्टली 30 मोर डिविजन्स which if it is remaining we will take care of it. त्यामुळे कोणे पॅनीक जावपाची गरज ना. काय जाल्यार वी विल गिव मोर क्लासरूम्स डिविजन्स म्हणजे हायर सेकंडरी खूब हायर सेकंडरी कडेन क्लासीस आहा capacity. Really increase the class strength by say 5 suppose, or in some cases adjust it by giving more classes. So there are variety of solution possible. I am not predicting any of this solution right now, but we are keeping eye on the admissions. We are getting up datas complete. After 5th, anyone who doesn't get an admission, there will be at least 1 or 2 centers in north, 1 or 2 centers in south, where from the education department where they can go and register, and we will see that those students also get the admission.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.